It's beet canning time, folks. I've dug up all my beets. I pulled them up actually, but look, I've got some pretty nice ones in there. I'm gonna take out the littler ones and go ahead and give them to Miss Chicken. But I got some pretty big ones in there that I think I'm probably gonna get about 4 or 5 pints out of. So let's get started. In getting ready for your beets, you want to leave your roots on there, and you want to leave probably about 1 inch of the stems on there. This will keep them from bleeding out. So I'm going to sort these out. I'm going to do exactly what I did to this one. Just clip off the greens, and we're going to get our beets together for canning. Stay tuned. Okay, first you want to get your beets, and you want to scrub them down real good. I use a green Brillo pad to get all the dirt and mud off of them. Okay, I got them all cleaned up. I'm fixing to put them in some boiling water. The bigger ones will boil for probably 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to boil the smaller ones. They'll probably be 5 to 7 minutes, and we'll check them and make sure and show you when they're tender. In the meantime, I've washed my jars with soap and water, so I've got them ready. I'm going to put them in a hot water bath briefly to sterilize them and get ready for my beets. While everything is cooking and getting ready, I want to tell you what the recipe is. It is 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt. I am sterilizing my jars now after I wash them with hot soapy water. And these you do not have to pressure can. That's the beauty of canning beets. Super easy. Get them heated up real good. I've boiled the beets for about 29 minutes. Now I'm going to let them cool. You can see the steam is coming off of them. And then I'm going to peel them and I'm going to pack my jars. I have my brine on. I did have to go ahead and increase it because I do have 4 quarts that it looks like I'm going to have to do. I had quite a few more beets than I expected. Anyway, so I did 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, and 3 cups of vinegar. And I went ahead and stayed with a tablespoon of salt. Okay, you can see that I'm peeling my beets. They're quite easy to peel at this point after they've cooled off. And I'm using rubber gloves because let me tell you something, you don't want to stain your hands. This stuff won't come off. So, anyway, we're peeling them. We're going to go ahead and pack our jars. While that's happening, we're heating up our brine. We're getting ready to pickle our beets, folks. I've added a little bit of onion into my jars just to kind of spice it up a bit. I have my jars packed and I'm very excited. I tasted some of these when I was packing them and they are absolutely delicious. So now it's time to put our brine in. Okay, I have my jars packed and ready to go with my brine and my beets and a little bit of onion. I'm leaving about a 1/2 inch headspace, and now I'm going to put my lids on and I'm going to put my bands on, and I'm just going to hand tighten them. Be sure to wipe the rims off before you put your bands and stuff on. You want to make sure that there's no debris. I have to go back and do some of these. I just can't do it with the camera on. All cleaned up and ready to go. Let's put the lids and the bands on. Now it's time to put it in the hot bath again. Since we have put vinegar in these, we do not have to pressure can them. We are doing quarts. If you were doing pints, it would take about 10 minutes, but we're doing quarts, so we're going to do these in boiling water for about 13 minutes. You want to make sure that the water covers. We did just hand tighten the lids. You don't want to tighten them to where you can't get them off. Okay, we're all set. Now I'm going to set the timer for 12 to 13 minutes, and we're going to let them go. Okay, 15 minutes have passed. I'm letting them cool down a little bit. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to let them sit and rest. So excited. There you have it, folks. Some deliciousness that we're going to enjoy for the whole season. I'm so excited about them. Look at how good these look. Beets, I don't know if you know, are a superfood. They are full of antioxidants. And we've added the vinegar and the sugar. It's going to sweeten them up a bit, but I did have some before I canned them. And they were so delicious. I am stoked. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. And if you like our channel, please subscribe to the channel. And we will see you guys sometime next week.